Probably the most commonly searched question on mobile video editing is how to stabilize video with the free app which is watermark free and flawless. Most of us already have a great app installed in their phone called Google Photos that can be used to make beautiful stabilized video. Here is an example using one of my recorded videos. On the left you see the raw actual video and on the right the stable, nice, smooth video. As you can see, it is nicely stabilized without any distortion or without losing any video quality. That's something we can easily do with the already installed app in our Android phone. To stabilize a video, open the video and click on the edit button. Once you click on the edit button, you will see a stabilize icon on the lower left side of the screen. Click on it and it will take some time to stabilize the video, and then the required time will actually depend on the size of the video. The current video is 28 seconds only. Once the video is stabilized, you will see the final output in your mobile phone. It will be a smooth, flawless, nice video without any sort of distortion or losing any quality. So you can check the quality of this video, its post stabilization. Once you have got your desired output, you can actually save it clicking by save copy button on the top right of the screen. It will take a little bit of extra time to save the video, from seconds to minute depending on the size of the file. That's it, very easy. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel.